it's me, Billy. Today we're going to be reacting to Dog's Epic Shopping Cart Voyage. And also, don't forget to smash that like button and remember to drop a bomb on that subscribe button. Alright, let's get into the video. Some cups in a shopping cart. There's a no trespassing sign right there. Japanese world. Wow! Now they're on the news. Great. Now they're at the gym. Oh, there's a man on life support right here. That man was on life support. Bad doggies. You hit the cord. You really hit the cord. Alright, now they're at a burger shop. And they're barking to take the order? Wow. Oh, great. Another pup is serving them. Well, that's the only person that they're going to understand. They won't understand a human. Oh my gosh. No. Now these pups are eating. This is why you should not allow your pups to eat random foods. Oh my gosh. But one particular food that you should not feed your dog is chocolate, though. Seriously, I'm telling you guys, do not feed your pup any chocolate. Well, looks like it's the end of the video for here, I guess. Also, guys, I forgot to say to ring